water quenches fire. Don't forget to order this necklace or such. I'll customize it for you. Any color you want, I'll make it for you. So yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm giving you a minute to do that. A minute or 30 seconds. Yeah, anyway, subscribe please. Follow me on Instagram at Nywelechronicles. I'd really appreciate if you follow me. So today we're going to do a flat twist out, and so today we are reviewing this product, Cream of Nature Pudding Perfection. Is it Pudding Perfection? Yeah, Pudding Perfection. So towards the end of the video, as I said, this product is kind of sticky. I felt like it's sticky. Don't usually feel when you touch glycerin on its own. In comparison to the Cantu curling cream, I'd definitely go with the Cantu curling cream. But regardless of this, it also defines my curls. As you can see, my curls are perfect. So yeah. So for this tutorial, you're going to need several things. Other than this, we'll also use this Mikalla leave-in.
Turn me on, now you're taking me on along.
So on the bottle it says for curls, coils, kinks, no frizz, no shrinkage, no dryness, and it's 326 grams. That's 11.5 oz. When you go to the ingredients, the first ingredient is water. It's moisturizing. So this is how it looks. I've always wanted this product for so long, but I was too broke to own it. So when I finally saved enough, I bought it. So this is how it looks. It has a creamy, I've never used it by the way, but I've owned it for like 3 months. I just end up using always Kalala. So yeah, anyway, I decided today let's do the flat twist with this. As usual, we're going to maintain our normal products, and then this is the only product we're going to change. So these are just cornrows I have. I did them to stretch my hair. So to start off, I'm just going to wet my hair a little bit, and then I apply some leave-in. This is Mikalla leave-in. This is what I always use. I just want it to be easier to comb, because if I comb my hair when it's dry, it's going to be super painful, and I'm not about that life. So already I had applied a generous amount of leave-in when I did, so I'm just further adding this to moisturize my hair. So we're going to start from the back coming to the front. So let me undo this and then I'll be right back. It's because the hair at my back is extremely short and I find it hard to grip. So I figured out you won't be able to see me twisting it well. So I stretched it first so that you can see it better. I hope you understand. So to start off, I'm going to separate my hair into two. Yeah. I'm going to start from the back by the coming to the front. That's what I do. I don't know how to flat twist going. Okay, I know how to flat twist going back, but they're not so perfect. I just prefer doing them like this. I find this easier.
So no delay, no delay. By the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Bossing out the place and they wanted more. My people.
So to start off, I'm separating. I'm sectioning my hair, the hair I want to work on. Then I'm applying the cream.
So no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night
make sure it's well spread, then detangle, and then add your oil. In this case, as I mentioned in my previous video, I usually do the leave-in, the cream, and then the oil, LCO. I don't do LOC. So just try as much as possible to see how I'm doing it. I don't know how to explain it well. That's why I made sure this video I didn't fast forward it or make it go fast so that you can see well. What I'm just doing is twisting the hair. It's almost the same as twisting, except in this case you're going as you pick more hair. Then when you reach to the front, you just add more cream towards the end. That's how the first one looks. Again, separate with your hand. The reason I'm not using a comb is because the comb is going to leave straight lines which are going to be visible once you take them out. So yeah, don't forget detangle, add your oil, detangle again, and then now come back to your flat twist. You'll start off with a small amount of hair as you go on building. Just pick as you go on, pick as you go on. I hope it makes sense. I don't know how to explain it, I'm so sorry. So one of the tips you need to gather about flat twists is the bigger your flat twist, the bigger the curls are going to be. The smaller the flat twist, the smaller the curls are going to be. And then ensure you properly detangle your hair. Also, if you happen to try this on wet hair, it will take longer time to dry compared to mine. Mine didn't take so much time, but regardless, I took them out the following day. So towards the end, don't forget to add your cream. So the process is just the same throughout. You're repeating the same process. Here I'm just fast forwarding it so that it doesn't take so much time. This video is already too long, so I didn't want to take any more time. I'd also like to hear from you guys. Do you flat twist going back or going to the front? For those of you who know, for those of you who've never tried it, I'd like for you to try it out maybe, and then let me know about it. So here you're just seeing me doing the sides. The process is the same, super simple. Practice makes perfect. If you don't get it well the right time, the next time you're going to get it well.
I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you're one murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you wind, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me.
This is nice because you are able to see the back view, the side view, and then you're also going to see the front view. I added more water because my hair was super dry, so I added water to further dampen it. I didn't want wet hair to just dampen it. Maybe next time I can do this on wet hair when my hair gets a little bit longer.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh.
So we let it air dry, then I'll come back tomorrow or in the evening. So far I feel like my hands are sticky. I don't know, it has a sticky feeling. I can't explain it, but I've never experienced it before. It feels sticky. So first of all, let me complain. Is it only Nakuru where coconut oil is not there? I was forced to buy this. I don't usually like this scent. I don't even like the scent. So is it only Nakuru where Alison isn't there? So yeah, anyway, it's the following day. Coconut oil. So this is how it looks after you take it down. I haven't separated or anything. This is just how it looks. What you're going to do is I'm going to comb so that I hide the tracks and the lines. So I'm just, and then also to make my afro look bigger, I'm just going to comb it. So some tips I'd like to share with you. If you'd like your curls to be smaller, do smaller flat twists. If you'd like them to be bigger, do bigger flat twists. I don't know if you understand like the size of the flat twist. That will determine the size of your curls.
She want a badman to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, you already know this. She want a badman to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh.
Do you guys realize how I said like my sides and back grows faster than this? It doesn't even look like I had that haircut, you don't know. Yeah, that.
So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry
I feel like my curls are like frizzy. I didn't get so much definition as I expected, considering the fact that I did this on a dry hair. So yeah, I don't know. So this is how my hair looks.